Hey guys, it's Beth. I know I don't normally share hauls with you, but I just got my Echo Park warehouse box last night and I couldn't resist sharing all the goodies with you. If you haven't heard of the Echo Park warehouse boxes and you love Echo Park products, you need to follow them on social media. I follow them, I think, on Facebook too, but I think it's on Instagram where they actually post the notices about the mystery box sales. So basically, a couple times a year, they offer up these mystery boxes, which are full of at least $200 worth of product, they say, and you get the box for $50 plus shipping. I love Echo Park and Carta Bella, so I get so excited about these, and I love the mix of products that I get, so definitely something that I like to splurge on. But like I said, I just got the box last night and kind of wanted to share with you what I got. They come with a mix of products, the paper, embellishments, stamps, etc. So we'll just kind of do a quick walkthrough. But I got two different washi tapes. One is I Love Family, and it's just got some little flowers on it. And then this one is from Deck the Halls, and it's like a stripe. And I actually got this one already in one of the other boxes, but I'm sure it will get used. And then here are some mini paper fans, like Rockabye Baby, and it's like the boy themed. Decorative paperclip bows from Magic and Wonder. Decorative bows from Cabin Fever. And these, I got the Magic and Wonder collection kit in one of my last boxes. And I also have some ephemera, I think, from Tuesday Morning. So these will be perfect to go with those collection kits. Some Traveler's Notebook enamel dots, very pretty colors. A Perfect Christmas enamel shapes. So some little epoxy-like stickers. Two stencils. This one is like arrows from Once Upon a Time prints. And then this one is crowns, and it's the Crown Jewels stencil. Got some decorative brads from Carta Bella's Practically Perfect line. Those are cute. A stamp, a background stamp that's got waves, and it's called Ocean Waves, an A2 size stamp, so it should be like cover the whole background of an A2 size card. Some Once Upon a Time princess stickers. These are cute. Some Cabin Fever stamps. This is super cute. This will come in handy. I'm getting ready to work on the winter papers from the All Seasons 3 pad, so I might be able to utilize some of these. Hello Fall rub-ons. I love their fall lines too. I Love Family chipboard accents. Got some Christmas delivery chipboard accents from Carta Bella. I love these, love the truck. And then I also got some cut-aparts from, looks like that same line, Christmas delivery. And then I got some other Christmas, and I think I don't remember what the name of it is, but I think I have this collection kit, so I'll have some extra cut-aparts to go with it. And then this cut-apart sheet looks like it goes with the I Love Family line, because these are all very similar. Oh, I actually got two of those. Oh, and then there's one I didn't see, it was stuck. So I got two sheets of those. And then there's this one, like summer themed. This is cute. I didn't see this one when I like pulled it out of the box. Very fun, bright. And then I got some random sheets of paper. This one is Wedding Bliss. It's black and ivory. So it's just like a, I don't know, kind of a vintagey white and then a black. And then this one is from Petticoats and Pinstripes called Tiny Teapots. And I have some of this paper left and I think some of the stickers, so I can totally use this with what's left of that kit. Some dots and stripes, orange and white polka dots. And then orange on orange. And then I got a 12 by 12 pad. I think normally I get a 6 by 6 pad, but this time I actually got a 12 by 12 pad, which is cool. And it is Summer Adventure by Lori Whitlock. And it's 24 single-sided papers, so I'm guessing there's 2 of each design. And that one's weird because it's just like a white sheet. But it's all like camping, kind of adventure themed paper. And this is perfect because we camp a lot. We love to hike and have campfires, all that fun stuff. And then it starts over. So that's cool. I got a Dots and Stripes foil pack. It's the Winter Silver foil collection, which is beautiful. And then Dots and Stripes fall collection kit, which is perfect because I also got Fall is in the Air collection kit. There's the stickers on the back of that one. So getting my warehouse box has actually made me rethink the pack of paper that I was going to work on for my next pad project. Here is Spooky by Karina Gardner. Very fun Halloween. And then Go See Explore by Lori Whitlock. I love this one too. Great travel papers and embellishments. And then I got The Circus by Steve Duncan. So that's fun. So that is what I got. I was so excited to get my box. And like I said, if you watch out for them on Instagram, they usually let you know when they're getting ready to release the warehouse boxes or, have the sale. And then they'll keep it active for a few days and give you a chance to order. And they come fairly quickly. So I think I ordered it at the beginning of the week or maybe over the weekend, and it was here yesterday. But a big shout out to Party Planner Papery, if I said that right, for letting me know that their sale was open because I must have missed it or didn't see their post until a little bit later. So she gave me a shout out and I was able to jump in and snag mine. But like I said, if you follow them on social media, you can get notice of the sales, and there's so many other companies that do it as well. Follow your favorite brands on social media, and then that way you're in the know if they have one. But let me know if you got one of the warehouse boxes this time around and if you got anything different. I've seen, I think it was Party Paper Plannery has shown hers, and we got some of the similar stuff because she got hers right before mine, and I was hoping I got a lot of what she got, and I think for the most part I did. I think some of the embellishments were a little different, but let me know if you got one and if you got anything different or what your favorite item in your box was. But that's all I had today. Just wanted to share my little goodies with you. It's Friday before Labor Day weekend, so I hope everyone has a wonderful 3-day weekend, and hopefully you find a little time to be crafty. Thanks for your time today, guys. We'll see you soon.